warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Hazirah binti Zulkifli. My matrix number is 2019807096. The issue that we are going to discuss in this video is pervasive microplastic across the globe. Did you know that the plastic straw you discarded in 1980 hasn't disappeared? It is fragmented into pieces too small to see and is cycling through the atmosphere, infiltrating soil, ocean water, and air. They can be found in places as varied as human bloodstream, to the gut of the insect in the Antarctica. There are three goals of the analysis. First one is to create a safer environment for life on Earth. Second is to reduce the amount of microplastic in our world. And the third one is to raise awareness of the negative impact of using plastic in all people across the world. Next is the context of the case study. First one, plastic entered the atmosphere from old broken down waste that make its way into a large-scale atmospheric pattern. Second one is ocean waste are full of insoluble plastic particles that used to be food wrapper, soda bottles, and plastic bags.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fariha Aima binti Abdul Rahim. This is my matric number. What the key fact that should be considered? Actually, there are a lot of key facts that should be considered. Firstly, microplastics have become so prevalent that they now influence plant growth, wave through our air, and pervade far-flung ecosystem. Next, plastic can stay in the atmosphere for up 6.5 days, which is enough time to cross a whole continent. Then, plastic deposition from the atmosphere is most likely to occur over and into the Pacific and Mediterranean Ocean, although models show that the continent obtain more net plastic from contaminated ocean sources than they provide to them. Lastly, land-based plastic deposition is also a problem in the United States, Europe, the Middle East, India, and Eastern Asia.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rosliza binti Rosli and this is my matric number. What alternatives are available to the decision maker? Actually, there are a lot of alternatives that are available to the decision maker. First, replace plastic straw with stainless steel straw. It is because they are much better than plastic. Stainless steel straws are easily reusable and highly durable as well. Then, held a worldwide plastic-free day campaign. For example, Plastic Free July is a worldwide campaign which aims to reduce single-use plastic waste throughout our everyday life by providing easy-to-follow resources and ideas. Lastly, restrict the use of plastic in any store or shop. If they really need the plastic, they must pay a certain amount of money to the cashier. For example, they need to pay 20 cents for a plastic.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Wardina Afrina binti Khairil Rijal and my matrix number is 2019421012. Through what we have discussed just now, I will now tell you what we would recommend and the reason behind it. Firstly, we would recommend to eliminate plastic worldwide. This is because plastic bags are made from non-renewable sources such as petroleum and natural gas. Through their extraction and production, greenhouse gases are created, which further contribute to global climate change. Secondly, we will also recommend to use biodegradable plastics to reduce carbon emission during the manufacturing process. This is because the materials used to create biodegradable plastics are plant-based. Thus, minimal carbon is emitted during the composting process. Lastly, we would recommend to choose cardboards over plastics. This is because cardboards can be recycled easily, unlike plastics which will biodegrade over time. In conclusion, plastic bags bring negative effects to the environment and to human health. Hence, we, as individuals who have always said that we love our Earth, should equally work together to save our ecosystem by reducing the use of plastics.